Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk about representing numbers in different ways. So on Monday we started this. We looked at representing numbers using word form, standard form, expanded form, and base 10 form. Before we get started on today's work, we're going to review that with the number 26. This is the standard form of the number 26. Whenever I say 26, I hear words coming out of my mouth. So I'm going to try to write the words. This is also called the number name. 26. 26. My S is a little bit messed up, so I'm going to redo that. There we go, 26. I could also show this number using base 10 pieces. We're going to draw our base 10 pieces. 26 is 2 10s and 6 1s. So I'm looking at the place value. I know that 6 is in the ones place. So I have 6 1s and 2 is in the tens place. So I have 2 10s. 26. I could also write this using expanded form. Expanded form is where you look at the value, so how much it is, of each digit. So this 2 is worth 2 10s. 2 10s are 20. So 20 plus 6, because 6 is in the ones place, the value of that 6 is 6. That's expanded form. So it stretches out the value of each digit. Okay, so now today you're going to think about everything that you've learned so far about counting, about place value, and about numbers, and you're going to try to write different things about a number of the day. So in your seesaw activity, the number of the day is 47. So we're going to choose a different number to practice. The number that we're going to choose is 18. So 18 is going to be in the middle. First, it wants you to show the tens and the ones. So in 18, we know that there's 1 10 and 8 ones. So I would write 1 for the tens and 8 for the ones. It also wants us to show 10 less, 10 more, 1 less, and 1 more. So 10 less than 18, so I would take away a 10, would be 8. 10 more would be 28 because I'm looking at that place value. So there's nothing in the tens place here. It's just a 0. So we don't even have to write anything. We have a 1 in the tens place here and a 2 in the tens place here. Then 1 less and 1 more. $18, 1 less than 18 is 17. 1 more than 18 is 19. Okay. Then we need to use these little symbols up here. You might not have seen them before. If you get this one wrong, it's okay, because this is the first time that you're seeing it. We're going to work more with numbers and we're going to work more with comparing numbers, so you'll get a little bit more practice as we go on. So you'll see 3 boxes in the top. You see a little arrow pointing one way, you see an equal sign, and you see an arrow pointing the other way. The first one, I'm going to draw it big right here, looks like this. That means that this number is going to be less than whatever this number is. Equal means that it's the same. This means greater than. So whatever on this side is going to be greater than whatever on this side. So in the middle, I'm going to write 18. A number that's less than 18 is 8. We know that 8 is less than 18, right? And now I need to think about a number that's greater than or bigger than 18. I'm going to do 30 because I know that 30 is greater than or more than 18. Now I need to create an addition problem and a subtraction problem that equal 18. 2 plus 16 equals 18. So I'm just thinking about that number. I'm trying to think about what I can do to equal that. And I know that 20 minus 2 equals 18. So write an equation that equals that number. And then the last step is to represent that number on 10 frames. So with 18, I would use 2 10 frames. I would fill up one. I would fill up one 10 frame. That's 10. So I still need one more. $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18. That's the number on a 10 frame. So for your activity today in Seesaw, you're going to do the number of the day activity. And in the number of the day activity, you're going to complete the same things, but for the number 47. Just use the drawing tool, and you can use your finger to write, or you can try to use the mouse to write. Bye.